Poisson. Good afternoon. First of all, I would like to thank you very much to the International Committee and to all the skis to give Argentina another opportunity to organize a meeting. I'm here with Ramon Villaró from the Spanish team because they will help us to organize the next meeting. You know, Spain and Argentina has strong proximity because of the language, culture, and history, and they will be with us, helping us to organize the next meeting. The first meeting in Argentina was in 2006. There were 50 lucky journalists that were able to go to Buenos Aires. We visit Buenos Aires today. They took tango lessons. They had a wonderful meet. Many of you went to a famous Boca River football match. And afterward, we fly to Patagonia. We visit two different cities, San Martín de los Andes and Bariloche, and we ski in the ski resorts in Chapelco and Cerro Catedral. And after that, we conformed the Argentine club. We hope we are 70 members. And with this club and the support of the Argentine Tourist Board and the Spanish team, and of course the skis, we are very pleased to organize a new meeting for next year. Miguel told you that it was first planned, like Pablo Costa told you last year, in Jasna for this year. But because of different issues, and you all know about this crisis and this very difficult year, we plan to organize it next year in order to have more time to plan the trip, to have, I don't know, the vacations and anything. So we are pleased to invite you next year during the last week of August and the 1st of September. We are going to double the number of journalists. So we are going to invite around 100 journalists. So all the clubs will be able to go to Argentina. I will send in September a definitive program. We will send about the days, the different ski resorts we have. You know, Argentina is a very large country. We have more than 10 ski resorts. So maybe we are going to make different programs or to go to a ski resort or to combine with two different ski resorts like in 2006. Maybe you are likely to ski in the Fin del Mundo, in the end of the world in Ushuaia, very mystic place. And well, now I'm going to show a little video of all the places you can get to know in this famous Cordillera de los Andes and start feeling the Argentine snow. And well, we are going to wait in 2010.